take a
But it
picture
makes
of your highlight like
orange. I can't see it on camera.
And when the truth came in, I just didn't know what to
Are you
do.
vlogging right now?
Ooh,
Yeah.
pop in. Oh, I can see it. Yeah, I can see it now. I don't know what to talk about on here. Like,
Hello,
Day.
I'm in DC.
yep, I'm in, oh my.
Elisa's gonna take over your vlog.
I don't know.
Huh?
Lisa's
gonna take over your vlog.
Hold on, it's on my wrist. Okay.
What is there to talk about? Actually, yeah, there's nothing.
Exactly.
Okay, so we're
And then the
going
video looks
to.
extra dry.
Actually, where are we going? Mom, where are we going?
I'm going to the White House.
Oh,
We're going to the
we're going
White
to the White House.
Visit our friends.
I don't think he's our friend. No,
Say we were going to see the president.
That's funny.
but Anna
But we
used
don't
to
wanna
be.
do that.
Anna used to be more like fun going because like you could sit on it. Like, you know, Vic, when you came, you couldn't do that.
Oh, yeah,
but like when we came back in
Sit
6th
on
grade, like you could sit and take pictures. But now you
Now
can't.
they have like 2 sets.
Yeah, they have 2 sets, and they just made the second set for the fence because people tried jumping.
Oh, that's funny.
Now
there's like people standing out there.
So, and then after that, I think we're gonna go to the Washington Monument, the big, yeah. And then, let's see, from there.
These streets are so
know.
busy. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's cute.
This really does remind me of Mexico.
Well, we'll get back to you later.
Bye.
Where do I press?
Adriana. Get in this with me. Oh wait, it's really zoomed in. Hold on. Oh wait, other way. Okay. So we're at the White House, right?
Yeah,
we're at the White House. Oh, that's why it looks different,
Yeah,
right?
this is the
This is like the
back
back side of it. We're at the back side of the White House.
Great.
There's a lot going on here.
Okay, guys.
And I have to find a trash can.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay.
Why is that Fernandez that one girl? And then give me your camera and I'll take a picture. Oh, right. So everyone knows she has it.
Okay, everybody, come on, let's get in the picture. Oh wait, Alexa's already ready for this photo op. Hi, it's a video.
Wait. Like, can we actually take a picture?
Yeah, you can stop it.
Can I recreate
Okay, alright, we're at the White House
But the
right
back
now.
side of it.
The back side, and there's someone singing in the background. It's off, but
You need to do it for the
it's a whole jam. So, right now,
Yeah, this girl's singing and no one knows what she's saying.
but it's really good. It goes, like, you can't lie.
She ain't even got a rhythm to it either.
And wow, this actually hurts my arm. And
Water?
so, I don't know where we're going right now. We might go to Renwick
It's just the
Gallery, and that's the art,
Oh, okay.
an art gallery. So, Mom, where are we going now?
Well, I want to go and check this place.
Oh,
We're
yep,
gonna go and
so we're
check
going to
this place
Renwick.
out.
And Renwick has like
It's a gallery.
It used to have like it had this really cute like rainbow like thread thing, but they got rid of it for some odd reason. Like, I don't know if you've ever been like Hershey. I don't know.
Never been.
Yeah, so we're going there and
Senor Trump, can I have my ball back?
Senor Trump, can we just please have our ball back?
That's so funny. So my friends left me. They're all the way up there, but yeah, I was with her. But look, I tore the skin on my shoe with these Vans. It hurts really bad. I really just want to take it off.
I thought I liked how Vanity.
Ooh, yes. Okay, let me just pull this sock up. Ouch, that hurts. It's real bad. I just noticed it too, and like all that chunk of skin is gone. But oh well. Okay. We really need a band-aid. Okay. Yes. This is what you see in DC. Just kidding. Those are fully off of him. What is he doing?
That belt must be extra tiny.
But he's feeling himself. That's alright.
What's he listening to? Something. Okay, so something that's making him feel good.
Oh my, it looks like I have no eyebrows. Okay. Oh, no, let's not zoom in. That's too close for comfort.
Where?
We're in the car. I actually like this seat.
Oh, that's cute. Can you do like dashboard?
Ooh, I could, yeah. Hold on, let me turn it over.
cute. Looks to be a
Oh, my face looks so orange. I need to
pretty
change.
girl cupcake.
Pretty girl cupcake.
I like red ones.
Cupcakery.
Cupcakery, yeah. I was like, okay, there's got that cupcake and
Cupcake.
Oh, look. We're at National
yeah,
Harbor.
pretty girl.
I don't like how my face looks with this lighting. I look orange at the forehead and white everywhere else. Okay. Oh, the water looks so nice out there. I really want to jump in.
Well, you'll be jumping in a river. Me too.
This vlog is dry.
How do we make it less?
I don't know. The one that I posted was
Moisturize
really
it.
good.
I was just gonna say put some lotion on it.
Alright, this is dead piece. I'm talking right now. No one's listening to me. No one's listening. I'm listening. I don't know what you said though. Ouch, my arm hurts from this. Look at these biceps. Just kidding, there's nothing there.
Adriana's got those biceps.
But,
Adriana, you look like a tennis player.
nuh-uh. We are going
No, but, like, if
hiking
you were, like,
in Virginia.
Tennis player? I mean,
We just found this beautiful piece of art. Voila! I don't know who pooped that out, but
we got bears up in Virginia. What is this?
really, that is a huge poop. That's like an entire body of poop.
Face. It reminded me of the lady that was
Seriously.
That's funny. The
Sight
movie.
of poop out of my head.
no, for real.
Really, I
I
don't
got a
know.
horse or a bear or what?
There's definitely a
Do
bear.
not say that. Horse, yeah, bear, I don't know. Bear? Ramel said they're black bears.
What? That was like.
You're so extra for that.
You is extra for that.
Stand back.
You gotta go higher.
Like, and I go like this. Oh, the dance.
I love your laugh, Adriana.
Oh, there's a line.
I'm so funny.
I could just see it in slow-mo, that's why. I'm pretty sure this one ends with...
Oh, this hat is way crooked on me. Oh man. How long have we been doing this?
For a good hour.
Hour, really? Well, we've been hiking for an hour. It's really
30
hot.
minutes.
I'm super sweaty.
It's 11:19. We started.
But we found some water.
We can finally drink something.
You're funny. Vic, you're not supposed to have your phone. This is a no phone place.
Is that yours?
Sorry. I really like my hat. It's so
I
cute.
really can't even see squat.
Yeah, it's like too bright to look at your phone when you take pictures. But they'll be better in the
I was
dark.
just trying to figure out where I could sit.
So, I was looking down at my shoes. Ooh, cute.
Yeah, I'm throwing
Go shell. I was looking down at my shoes, and these are brand spanking new. Got dirty here, got dirty here. I'm ticked. I'm kidding, not really, but like, it's annoying. Ooh, look, I found another shell. Look at these shells.
get a picture of me?
Memory box, Alexis.
I was gonna say with
Put your memory box.
I have my Philippines ones. These aren't as special. Hi! Why are they following us?
What was that?
What was it?
Those people over there asked for Elizabeth's number.
Cool, but the dude's weird.
Yeah, those people asked for our number and we got one of their Snapchats. It was like across like this water, like they were yelling from up there. It was really weird, but you know, kind of cool
But you
too.
guys kept talking. Oh, sorry, Mom.
Climb.
Can you take us our pictures?
It's the climb.
Take a picture.
Yeah, I guess. I'm trying to sit here though. I want storage. Oh wait. All right. So Ken thinks that she can get a historic. What is it? Rock jumping? Rock skipping. Rock jumping. Rock jumping. I'm gonna call it rock jumping now because everyone's thinking about it. But okay, we're gonna watch this. Ready? Okay.
I can't reach the water. It was dirty. No, we're just gonna skip better because it's wet.
Ooh, dang. That was actually really good. There's only 2, but still.
Still historic.
Girl, you wanna just
Skip it off the ground.
Here, get one of these flat rocks.
That's actually pretty good. It's better than what I could do. Definitely better than what I could do.
It's not flat. It's okay though.
What if my face tans but my forehead doesn't? Wouldn't that just look awkward?
That would look weird. I feel like that's gonna happen.
Well,
Oh, I can kind of see it, like right there. There's cool. Like,
I look orange in the camera.
Baseball player.
Oh well. Whoa, look at them. That looks fun. Wait, how do they even, like, what? Is that their own or did they do that? Here. Yes. Zoom in. Vroom, vroom. Hi. I bet you they accidentally, purposely fall in the water.
that's disgusting.
Right?
Hi. They're not waving to you.
Bro, why do they keep following us?
They're going the same direction we are.
Whoa!
Big wave.
Waves, it's an ocean.
It's an ocean.
It's an ocean. Ripple effect. Ripple effect. She said.
But they're stinging it.
It's just water.
All right.
You're dirty.
This does make you look orange.
Yeah, I made the brightness weird.
All right. So who then?
Those dudes.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Here's a rock.
I just hit you. I'm so sorry.
Wow. I look like a big globe. Look.
Let's see how far I can go. This is one of my favorites. Kind of handy. You ready for this? Here, this is all the same thing.
Yeah. Mother of pearl, people. I'm trying to take this picture.
You gotta get
Momentum.
this big.
Well, big.
But you could skip those.
She just said momentum. Look at the cute little deer. Oh, they're so cute. And they're not even. Do you guys see the deer? There's 2 of them. Oh. We've been hiking for a good amount of time. I think we're going somewhere else now, but we're really hungry. So we really want some food and some cold drinks. Because our water is hot now. And we've all got sweat on our butts. Lots of sweat. Look at Adriana.
Oh, get mine in there.
Grossy gross.
I didn't feel it on mine until I saw it.
I can feel the one on my back. And my book bag straps are so wet.
Yeah.
Ooh, orange. Look at this really pretty view. It's so pretty. Oh,
I saw it.
it's so nice. So is this view. We should take a picture.
Yeah.
Elizabeth, you gotta make your appearance.
Wait, you take a picture and record?
She's trying to get her steps in for the day. Look at her go. Why does she look so serious about it? You did it? Wow. I am the one, don't need no.
10,016.
Nice. I can't see Jack, but mine's at 11,000. 11K.
Bro, that was the life of last night. she was asleep.
Ooh, hot. Ooh, bug. She thinks he's cool. I don't know.
We're not walking, I'm sweating.
Wait, what's next?
Oh, I don't know. This is way too orange. I don't know what is going on with the filters.
Saturation. This is something that's nasty.
Yeah, I gotta change that.
Slam 3. Excuse me.